I wish you good health and happiness. How you doing? Welcome to your girl's channel. My name is Love. Please stay glued to the end of this video. Curry leaves offer a range of benefits for hair, including promoting growth, preventing premature graying, and managing dandruff. They are rich in antioxidants and nutrients that strengthens hair follicles, reducing breakage and improving overall hair texture. So in today's video, we're going to be learning how to make a simple DIY curry leaf at home. Here are my curry leaves. Okay, get a bunch or as much as you want, and I got it, removed it from the sticks, and here I am washing them. You just have to wash it thoroughly to remove all particles from the farm or wherever it was gotten, because you know it does not grow in the house. So I had to take my time, if possible, wash it one after the other. One of the good things about this is that it's not just only for hair. You can use it for your skin, guys. You can use it for tea. If you take this with amla juice, trust me, it will help improve your hair growth as well. So as you are washing it, just make sure that you keep it clean in case you want to include it to your juice, or you want to include it to your skin, routine care. So here, after washing, this is my sieve. I brought it out and I'm still taking out all the particles that could have entered in. There are some of them that already changed color. As you can see, I took them out, and some sticks, I took them out. So I let this air dry in the house. You wouldn't want to expose it outside in the public where it could get dust. So I made sure I left it maybe a day or two, but allow it to properly dry. This is on my baking table in my house, my baking space that I used, and got it dry. So I sprayed some cloth, that's a tissue, this thick one. Okay, you can also spray a cloth, a towel, kitchen towel that you use for cooking, basically for maybe plates, not for something for dirt. And voila, this is it. It was dried here. It was dried, and then I had to go ahead to blend this, or grind it as you may call it. So I grinded it to powder. Guys, I have been using this powder for a lot of things at the same time. For my butter, the butter video is coming up. I've used it for my hair oil, and the video is up on this channel. When I was doing this, I was like, my hair is going to smell like Indian curry sauce, guys, but that is not the case. This guy smells so good. You will not even notice it after making your hair butter or your hair oil, guys. You will not notice, you will not even perceive the curry smell at all. The feeling on my hair is massive. It's so good because it gives it another level of texture on your hair. And I have a challenge. I'm using it for a while now. It's been improving my hair. I lost my edges because of my birthday hair that I made. I had to make hair outside in the salon, and it was a bad choice. Okay, but guys, this has helped me. My edges had regrown within days. I'm not even joking with you. Like a week, my edges are popping back. I'm using this, guys. Can you see how this powder is? It's just a simple one. Please do well to like the video for me. If this is your first time coming here, God bless you for coming. And my returning subscriber, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for always supporting your girl. Like the video, subscribe if you have not, and share out, let others know. Another video of how to use it for your pre-poo is coming up. How to use it for your hair marks is coming up. Stay glued, please, and the Lord will bless you for your support. I'll see you again in my next video. Your girl Love. Bye.